Iraq has gone through tremendous challenges.
Very exciting day for Iraq. It's a sign that the relationship between the United States is changing, is enhancing. More importantly, we're building a strong Air Force with the United States support. It gives us the confidence that we can have enough capability of our own to protect the borders, to be able to protect our pipelines, and more importantly, to deal with the immediate threat of terrorism.
It is a steady force, precise, capable, the most technologically advanced fourth-generation fighter in the world. It is a defender, designed and crafted to meet the evolving threats, ready for any mission, anytime.
Every day you fly, it just makes you smile, pretty much. It just gets you going. Still love the airplane, I love it.
With operational versatility that brings stability, safety, and protection to the nation of Iraq, enabling advanced skills and experiences for a new generation of pilots.
I want to go fly it right now. It's beautiful. It's just a milestone that we achieved. Iraq been through a lot, but today is just it's a new feature. Should be a new feature. I mean, when we go home, defend the Iraqi people with this. It's an awesome thing.